Well, hello there. Here is take number 5 on creating your own mod map. Now I know what you're thinking. Okay, this guy's an idiot. But no, I was just trying to take shortcuts. So let's do this the right way, shall we? You're going to open up Giants Editor. This is version 7.1. Yep, right there. Get rid of that. You're going to want to go up to File, New Mod from Game, and we're going to select the sample mod map 1, which is Goldcrest Valley. Hit OK. This is going to create a folder called myfs17 mods in your documents folder, with a map folder of this is the sample mod map 1. Hit OK. And that'll take a few minutes depending on your system specs, which mine are average. And here's Goldcrest Valley. Ain't that pretty? So we're going to go ahead and save that. And it's saved. Before we go any further, we're going to close up. No, because we already saved it. We're going to open up our folder, Documents, my FS17 mods, and here is your mod map. Pretty much a copy of Goldcrest Valley. So what we're going to do is right click, go down to copy, then we're going to paste. So now we will have a copy of our copy in case we mess up. Like that would never happen. Okay, so that's done. Get rid of that. Go back into Giants. Before I do that, we're going to go back into our folder. Open up our maps. Map 01. Map 01 DEM. This shows all the terrain heights on the map. Now, let's see, right about here is your main farm. So we're going to take our color picker and we're going to take this area right here, color, grab that color, come back out. Then we are going to select all. Now we're going to delete. Then we're going to color. Then we're going to save. Now what I'm going to do is open. Oh, I already have that open over here. I'm going to open our copy first. So here is the original Goldcrest, or copy of. See all the hills and valleys, all the mountains, all nice and pretty. Let's bring this down here. Open up another instance of Giants Editor. Now we're going to open our first copy, and by changing all of that DEM file to that baby green, what that did was flatten the map. Now we're all flat. No hills, no valleys. Just the fields, the trees, all the other buildings. And you'll notice some of this stuff is kind of buried. So if we bring up our scene graph, and let's look for something. Locations. Player farm. There's our player farm right there. Everything is still here. No hills, but you'll notice train tracks are now in the air. We pull up our terrain editing. No, I don't want to do that. See this replace value here? If we turn on our terrain sculpting mode, turn this way down. We check the hit Control R. Control R. Everything is at 90 feet, kilometers, units, whatever. So subtract a bunch here. Go back here. That's all at 90. Everything's flat, even ground. Doesn't seem that way, does it? But it is. It's all even. What was that? So now, if you want a truly blank map, we go back to the scene graph, click on Goldcrest Valley, hold your shift key, click on placeholders, hit delete. Now, all we have is our career start point, which is right there, which is a little bit below the surface. So if we go here, hit edit, interactive placement, click, that's where we'll start, right there. So now all you have to do is get rid of your textures. So we'll do that by going to terrain editing. We want to get rid of the rock. So you come down to texture layer painting, select mountain rock. Our right mouse button is set as subtract. Hit the terrain texture paint tool. Let's bring this up a little. And remove all the rock. At least as far as you can see. Move this over here. Move that. Move that. Move that. What you can do, zoom out. Now if we turn this all the way up, then click in the box and type like 300, Get rid of that now. It's not going to look like anything is changing because we're so far zoomed out. And depending on your system specs, again, mine's average. This might take longer than you think. Now if we zoom in, it's actually gone. So if we save it, are we done? Yep, we're done. So now if we zoom out, we still see it. But let's come up here. Get rid of that. Let's save it again. And we're going to go up here to where it says reload i3D file. Hit yes. Everything's gone. Did I miss that part? Let's miss that part. Oh, when you reload, it also resets your tools. So we have to put this back on Mountain Rock. Turn that back down. Then we can reset again. Reset, that, all that stuff. Over here. That takes care of some of the Mountain Rock. Now it's just patching up a little here. Now we can get rid of this, which is forest ground. We'll get rid of that. Back to Mountain Rock. Get rid of that. And that. And we're going to change this over to, get down here, town grass. We're going to get rid of the town grass right here. Looks like it's gone. Hit save. Come back up here. Reload. Yep. Come back up. And it looks like We got all our mountain rock that time. Let's walk or scoot around, see if we got everything. Some more forest ground we can get rid of. Some over there too. Yeah, let's take some there. And there. Done. That's not. You see if you got it all by looking at the little text in the middle. It'll tell you if there's any of whatever you're trying to get rid of within that white box. Oof, got a hole. Get rid of the hole. There. So this over here. More forest grass. Not forest grass, tom grass. A whole 13%. Go away. There. This over here is beach sand. So we select our tools, get rid of beach sand. You can do that through the whole map. What you can also do is get rid of some of this gravel. Over here, done. We can switch to grass. That up to like 300 again. Get rid of that. Now we can just paint this in with grass. Till you have nothing but a big grass surface. Zoom all the way out. You can just go up and down. So all you have is grass. So if that did anything. Now if we save again. Reload. Everything that is left is field. And how do you get rid of those fields? Well, for that, we have to go down to our foliage layer, select terrain detail, rid of that. Pick our foliage layer paint mode, then subtract. Sure what that is, that might be wheat. So if we select wheat, yep, so we select wheat on here, get rid of that. And go back to terrain detail, get rid of that. And for this one, we do the same thing, that's wheat. So we select wheat, right click to remove, then we select terrain detail, right click to remove. We do that for each of the fields. Again, you can zoom all the way out, pump up your radius, just right click to remove. And now you have a truly blank map. Still have some grass. This is mowable grass. You can get rid of that if you want. We just bring this back up. Select grass. And back down. And right click to remove. Or we can add by selecting the bits 1, 6. Yep. Depending on if you have more than the standard um, fruit types. If you have more than the standard, then their bits might be different. So these are your bits. So then we save, and that's your blank map. Scenograph, all we have is our career start point. Use our interactive placement. We can bring that right here. And then if you start this up in Farming Simulator, you will start right there with Nothing around you. Save that again. Now, why did I make a copy of this map before I did any of that? Because once you put in your roads, get everything planned out on where you want it, then it's just a instance of finding something you want, such as, let's say, player farm, your unloading station farm, which is your unloading, not your silo, it's just your unloading platform. So with that highlighted, we can go File, Export Selection with Files, go to our first map, create a new folder, let's say call it Models, open that up, just call it Unloading Ramp, hit save, get parent directory structure, yes, get rid of that. Go in here, go import, unloading ramp, hit open. Where did it go? Right there. That is just a matter of making it flush to the ground, which if we use our edit inactive placement, should bring it pretty close. Nope. You can also get objects from the internet at different mod sites, but that, in essence, is how you create your own map. Now, how can I turn that into a 4X map? Well, I guess we'll just have to wait and see. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.